your estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
And you mentioned being a broker.
Yes.
Now, I know what the difference is,
Okay.
and I'm a huge fan of brokers, right? It's just like in my business in the loan industry. I can sell to a number of different banks. But when you go to Bank of America or Chase or Wells Fargo and you go to them directly, all they have are their products. That's it.
Right.
So in your industry, right, tell me what the difference is between a broker and one of the bigger outfits, the providers.
Sure. So your captive companies is what I like to call them, are companies like Allstate, Farmers, State Farm, AAA, meaning that the agents that work for them, they can only write their products. So they're appointed with that one company, and the products they have to offer are whatever company they're appointed with. Being a broker, I'm appointed with 50 companies. And so the biggest advantage, or I should say the distinct advantage I have, is that I get to shop the market. And what that means is that a lot of people don't understand when it comes from not only insuring risk, is that there's a lot of companies that won't insure, let's say, a home that's in a high brush area. So if you happen to be with a provider and they won't insure your property, what do? Okay. I can find a company that will insure that property. But the biggest distinct advantage I have is when it comes to shopping the market is that every company has an appetite. Most people don't know this, meaning that, let's say your company wants to be in your market. They're going to be extremely price competitive. But if another company, that's not their appetite, they don't want to be in that market, there could be thousands of dollars difference in price for the same coverage. Mm-hmm. And so the distinct advantage is that when I sit down with a client, not only do I gather their information, their needs, and then I put it into my rating system, but when I press that button, all the companies come out by price, and I can see the top 2 or 3 companies, and then we kind of start the process from there. So always try to keep price on the customer side, because we want to save them money if possible.